Welcome! This video will guide you through the instructions for using the avian influenza virus antigen rapid kit. First, open the product box and check that all components are included. To start the test, place the avian influenza virus antigen rapid device on a flat surface. Collect samples from ducks or chickens using the provided sample collection swab. Next, peel off the foil seal from the sample dilution tube. Then, insert the swab into the buffer and mix thoroughly to extract the virus. Snap the swab at the groove, leaving the swab head inside the tube. Securely attach the dropper cap to the tube. Add 4 drops of the sample into the sample well of the AIV antigen rapid test device. Then, read the results at 15 minutes after dropping. Now, let's see how to interpret the results. If both the control line and the test line appear, it indicates an AIV positive result. A negative result is shown when only the control line appears and no test line is visible. Finally, if the control line does not appear at all, or if only the test line is visible without a control line, the test is considered invalid. In this case, you must perform a retest using a new device. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us by email.